Hey, what's up, Shiba inu holder? It's a really massive and good, my friend, for all of you to invest now. Because I have also planned, my brothers, to investing more and Shiba inu. I am going, my friends, to buy, my friends, this time 2 billion more Shiba inu. Absolutely, you know why? 2 million, sorry. Absolutely, you know why I am investing more in this time, because my brother, all currencies are starting very badly, fell down from last 24 hours. But I am going, my friends, to invest more and buy more. You know what's this? There is main reason, my friends. Especially the main reason is that, my brothers, to especially when a coin fails down, then absolutely if you do this mistake, you starting buying, my friend, you starting selling, then I think you are completely wrong. So don't see, my friend, this short fail and short jump. Just in only, my brother, see the highest jumps to win they again, my friends. Take this jump, this type jump. So absolutely, I hope sometime they will take a jump. So I hope they will give you a very good profit. So do this. I hope, my friend, the price will also increasing and they will give you a very good profit now. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.